Hello and welcome to the GSSC Web Help video on how to add a new user. As a company administrator, you'll have the ability to add new users for your company to the GSSC website. The Add User form is fairly straightforward. The required fields are indicated by an asterisk next to the field name. The company will be already filled in for you because you can only add users for your company, not for any other company. You simply fill in the information required: first name, last name, email, username, and a password. Now the emails and the usernames must be unique within the system. They cannot be duplicated for different users. So you may get an error if you happen to inadvertently duplicate one, but that's no problem. You can just come back in and change it. Now the password also has a strength indicator on that field. You can set it fairly simple to begin with. The user will receive an email after you've signed them up and registered them. They will receive an email with their username and their password. They'll have the ability to come back in and change any of the information on their profile, including their password, after they've logged on to the website for the first time. Now the only other really required field for the new user is the user capabilities. And basically there are four choices: a standard user, which can read private GSSC information on the site and leave comments on some of the posts; HR manager, which can set up and publish job openings for your company on the site; news contributor, which can set up company news articles for your company on the GSSC website under the GSSC member news area. And then there's a combination of HR and news, which allows that individual to post jobs and post news articles. So those are your selections. And in this particular user that we're adding, we have selected HR and news for that role. So we'll submit this application. And once the application is submitted, you will notice that you're taken to a page that shows you that the user has been added. Sally Smith has been added and assigned the HR role. And from here you can either add another user, you use this link to go back to the form, or you can go to the home page, or really use any other link on the web page. For now, we're just going to go quickly to the admin overview area, which you'll become familiar with, and there's a help video on it as well. And we'll verify that Sally Smith, with that email address that we assigned and the HR and news capabilities, has been added and is one of the users for your company. Here are examples of the emails that will be sent once the user form is submitted. You'll notice that you'll receive two emails, one that says that you've created a new user, and then you'll receive also an email, a copy of an email that's sent to the user saying that they have account created on the GSSC website, and reminding them that they'll receive another email from the site with their username and password. And then here's a copy of the email that the user receives that has their username and password attached. So that's pretty much it for adding a new user. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.